Hello, all. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Rajendra. Today, I'm going to talk about how to enhance our English speaking skill. English speaking is a simple task, but nowadays, few of the people made it complicated. How the simple process become complicated? I'll tell you. If someone is not going to follow a standard process to perform any task, then that task become complicated and that particular person faces a lot of issues, and that is exactly is being happened with the English speaking. So you don't need to make the English language so complicated. Let it be a simple process. I'll tell you what is the process which will help us to enhance our English speaking skill. So that process is not discovered by me, by the way, because that process is being followed globally, and I'm just emphasizing that process. There are four steps when it comes to learning any language. I'm specifically talking about English. First step is a listening step, and the listening step is the initial phase, but it plays very important role. If a person started to speak or learn English language, then the listening is really important step for that particular person. So more you will listen, then you will come across with more things, more new things. You will be exposed with the more new things, more vocabularies, more construction, more phrasal verb, and that all those things are going to be stored in your subconscious mind, believe me. And all those things which is being stored in your mind during the listening is going to help you when it comes to the speaking, trust me. So that is why I always recommend people always try to listen maximum as you can. That is a first step. And if you are at the initial stage, then you need to spend your 70% of learning language time on the listening and the 30% time on the rest of the step that I'm going to explain after this. Second step is reading. Reading also plays very important role because more we read, more we come across a new words, as I explained in the listening as well. But the important thing with the reading is that when we read something, then those things directly stored in our subconscious mind. That is why I put more stress and give more important to the reading. The reading required for speaking any language. So the second step is the reading. You need to spend some time on the reading and the listening. So after the reading and listening, the next process is the writing. The writing also plays really important role because whatever things that we listened, whatever the things that we read, all those things are stored in our mind, and during the writing skill we are trying to bring all those things and trying to write all those things. It means we are trying to interpret all those acquired things during the speak, during the listening, during the reading, in the writing. That is why try to spend some of time in your daily life in writing. More you will write, more effectively you can express yourself. That is why the third process of writing also plays important role in the speaking. And I'm going to the final step, that is the speaking. This is the soul of any language for speaking effectively. More you will speak, more you will improve or enhance your speaking skill, because speaking is the soul of any language. More you will speak with different person, then the more things directly comes, and it will test your listening skill, it will test your writing as well. Because writing, why I'm saying, because when someone speak from the front end, then you need to interpret what he told you and how to give reply, and during giving the reply you need to interpret those things, think in a short period of time, and then you need to give response to that front asked question. That is why always try to spend maximum as you can time during the speaking when you are at the middle stage. That is the four processes or the four steps which are being used globally in order to enhance the speaking skill. So I recommend that follow these processes. Definitely you can do better in the English speaking. Thank you very much for being with me for this video. I'll get back to you with another video.